Hello all. So since few days we are talking about the various techniques in Python, and they were nothing but file handling, then exception handling, regular expressions. Later we talked about the GUI Tkinter. Okay, and all of them are really very important and easy also, but important from developing the software's point of view. Because the thing is, when you talk about the software development, you need to show the data in the Tkinter, that is the GUI, and the data would come from the backend, that is maybe MySQL or some other database. Okay, so we would learn some more ideas or some more widgets. Okay, in the GUI Tkinter. So let's start. So we will understand the code to write down the checkbox. How does it work? Okay. So I will start writing the code now. Fine. So from we are going to write it down. Tkinter import star. Fine. From Tkinter .ttk import star. Fine, and then window equal to tk, then window dot title equal to is understanding checkboxes. Fine, I hope it's clear to you. Fine, and I suppose you must be knowing that what is a checkbox. So suppose for example I want to show it something like this. Okay, and I want to show that this is my checkbox. Okay, so in this manner I'm going to show the checkbox. Did you all get it? So we are going to write it down after this. So window dot geometry, because where do I want to show that checkbox? So I'm going to give here, say 350 by 350. I've told you that we have to give here single quote, and the other thing is the cross, that is x, okay, and not into. Fine. Now we will be giving one variable check state. Fine, and it would be a boolean variable, because the thing is either it would be on or it would be off, or it would be ticked or it would be unticked. Okay, so that is the idea behind it. And check status dot set, okay, is true because I want it ticked. Fine, so that is for setting the check state. Sorry. Check state. Okay, so here I am going to write it down that check equal to check button, and this button would be like this, and then I want to put it on the window, and I would be giving here text equal to select, because I want to select that. Sorry. Fine, and the variable equal to check st. Fine, so this is for the check button declaration. Okay, and now obviously I'll have to put it somewhere. So check, where do I want to put it? So check dot grid. By the way, grid is used for the placeholder. In the same manner pack is also used. We are going to make use of it in the later program. So column equal to 0 and row equal to 0, because there is only one, there is nothing else, and I told you that it is not essential to give, so it would finish the program. Fine. What is happening here? It would be showing me understanding checkboxes. This would be for the window geometry. This is always boolean variable, because either it is checked or it is unchecked. Either of the thing would happen. So it is always boolean. It won't be integer, because integer says that it can have 0 to 9, 0 to 100 stages. That is not the case over here. Okay, it can be either ticked or it can be unticked. I want to set it as true, so ticked. Check equal to check button, and I'm going to give here this syntax. Fine. So let's execute. You can see here this select. Okay, by default it was selected. Just a minute, I'll run it again. Sorry. Fine. You can see it's selected by default. I can untick, tick, untick. Okay. So this way we understand how to give the checkbox. Fine. So that is the idea behind it. Now we would write down some other widget. We would write down the program for some other widget. Okay. Now I will write down the code for understanding the combo box. Just a minute. I would make it as comment, and I would copy few of the things from here because they are common. Okay, and by now you must be knowing them. So first 4 lines or first 3 lines are always common. Okay, and now I'll have to give the combo box. Okay, so I'll be writing it down combo. And ComboBox is nothing but, yeah, I'll show you directly. That would be better. Okay. And please understand, when you talk about the combo box, BOXB is small. Okay. And I want to put it on the window as usual. Fine. Like how I had given it over here. Where do I want to put it? Fine. Later, combo. And I'll have to give the values. So I would be giving here values, and I want to give them as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fine. And they are my various values, and obviously I want to give some text also. Enter text. Fine. And later I want to put that combo cursor or control on by default the first value. Okay, and it would select the set item, that particular item which would be selected as 1. If I want to, yes, I can put it, that is not a problem. We'll execute this and then we'll change it. Fine. And then combo dot grid, where do I want to put it? Okay, column equal to 0. Yeah, I'll copy it better. Fine. And I would execute it now, and I'll show you how does the combo box look like. It gave me an error. I have to check it. Fine. Oh, I gave ComBox. I didn't give combo box. Combo. Okay, and I would run it now. We can see here is 1, so it gave me 2. Let's see. Yeah, understanding CheckBoxes now. I'll have to change that. Okay, I would say here combo. Okay, and I would put here 0. Fine. Let's run. Okay. When I said 0, it put it the first value, that is 1. When I had given 2, when I had given 1, it put the value onto 2. And because any value in Python starts from 0, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I say enter text, yes, it will be entered. Fine. So this is about the combo box. So they are the 2 widgets which we learned today, and I suppose you must have understood. And what is the difference between checkbox and combo box? Checkbox allows to give only one value and boolean. Okay, so either 0 or 1 type of thing, or either ticked or unticked. Okay, but in case of combo box, obviously many values can be given. Okay, and you can in the checkbox you can take the cursor onto that particular value by saying checks state dot set equal to true. Okay, here you are going to give it by saying dot current 0. Okay, so that is the difference between them. I suppose it must be easy for you. You can execute them, you can try them with various examples. Do let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you.